Here are 2 easy ways to keep your business safe from email scams. Hi, I'm Kate with RapidFire IT, and I'm here to give you those 2 tips to keep your business safe from email spam. Email hackers are getting smart these days. We all have to amp up our game to keep our businesses and our accounts safe and secure. Here's your first tip. We all get lots of emails, and a lot of them will look legit. Here's a good tip to find out if it truly is. Always look at the sender's email address. It's a dead giveaway if it's not coming from the correct domain. Take this for example, this new email I got in my own inbox, apparently from Office 365, telling me that my password has expired and I need to click this link to change my password right now. The problem is I don't recognize this email address. It says cnance@psi3g.com. Doesn't sound like Microsoft Office to me. Garbage. Here's tip number 2. In some of our emails, we'll get attachments. Some of those attachments are legit. However, some of them can be malicious. Always make sure that you know what the attachment is before you open it. Make sure that the sender is legit and you're expecting that attachment. Even if you know them, they could have been hacked, so you have to be careful. Make sure that all the attachments that you open on your email are ones you were expecting and you know what it contains. Never open an attachment that you're not aware of. Let me say that again. Never open attachments if you don't know what it contains. No matter what the email says, if you're in question, call the person. Ask them if they sent the email and what the attachment contains before you click on the link. Following those 2 tips will drastically reduce the risk to you and your business. RapidFire IT is a managed service provider helping small and medium businesses with all of their IT needs. To set up a consultation for your business, click the link and like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips from RapidFire IT.